What's up, YouTube? This your favorite girl, Nikki, with Nikki Smacks, and today I got a chili dog. I got a chili dog and some kind of burnt fries, but I'm still gonna fuck on because I'm hungry. I got an H2O and a Coke Zero. What is up? What is up? What is up? And I'll put some cheese on my fry. How y'all doing? Oh, I'm thirsty. Whew. Excuse me. Look at that. Chili cheese dog with a bunch of onions on it. Now my fries took too long. Now I got my Coke Zero. This is really good. Tastes like regular Coke. Oh my God. Whew. Excuse me. Oh, that was kind of ghetto. Oh my God, me a napkin. I put a little cheese on it. Not too much. Not too much. Yeah, I love onions. This is like bomb. Oh my God, napkin. I'm in my hallway, y'all. Oh my God. Excuse me. Yeah, I really buried these fries. Oh, this is so good. Even though these fries are kind of burnt. Maybe it's because I got the munchies. I don't know. I think it's because I got the munchies. I put a lot of onions on this. I'll be kind of kissing out nobody. Mm. Jay, yeah. Can you bring me a napkin, please? Like licking on my finger. Did I miss a spot? That's right on my neck. Thank you. I don't know why I break it. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm fucking this hot dog up. Fucking it up. The hot dog and these burnt fries I made. Cajun style. Yeah, I've been craving this hot dog all day. A chili dog. Whew. Y'all just don't know that hit the spot. I know that was a little ghetto. Oh well, I'm not for the holding in. Mm. That was good, huh? That was super ghetto. Can't believe that burp came out of me. You got no hot dog there, huh? I get the soft rice. The soft ones. Yeah. I fucked that shit up. That was fire. That was good. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. Because I'm full now. That Coke Zero got me full. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all like this mukbang that I did for y'all with my chili dog. Ooh. It's like a gas bubble moving. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay. I hope y'all enjoy this mukbang just as much as I enjoyed this chili dog. Excuse me. Whew. Please like and subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, you can give me a thumbs down. Excuse me. But guess what? I know you watched it. So it's still good. It's all good. Please hit that notification bell to know when I'm coming up. It's like, ding, 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 ding. You know. I will see you guys on the next go around. Because YouTube tripping on me like, motherfucker, you better get on there. Because we finna take all your hours. So I gotta stop playing and do some videos. Because I'd be working too hard. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next go around. Oh, God, y'all, I'm full. Shouldn't have drunk that soda. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.